Today I'll be unboxing this JAM wireless phones. It comes with a 24 hours playtime, foldable design, 30 feet range, and free calling, wet resistance, and rechargeable wire, I guess. Alright, so let's dive in. This is how it looks like. And well, let's look at what it looks like in the box. Okay, like the box is a little bit open. Put it on the side. So it comes with some wires, a couple of wires. I guess it comes with 2 wires in the box. It comes with this wire for the USB type C, USB type, the older version. You know, this is the first one you used before. I think I had this at home. But it comes with one of this, and it comes with I think this wire, HDMI cord. They call it HDMI cord. I always get caught up with the name nowadays. Well, because one of these in the box, and let's dive in. Let's take a look at the headphones itself. Does that look like? It looks nice. It looks firm. Yes, it's soft on top, and I think it has some soft, comfortable earpiece. You know, you put your ears, it's very snuggy. Feels very snuggy. Well, this is what you can see in the box with this JAM earphones. Hopefully you liked my video for today, and definitely look forward to see you on my next video. And catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching.